Alright, what is wildlife conservation? Wildlife conservation is the attempt to protect endangered species along with their natural habitat. The main objective of this practice is to make sure that their habitats will be preserved so that the future generations of both wildlife and humans can enjoy it. Additionally, wildlife conservation aims to raise awareness regarding the importance of wildlife and wilderness. Today, there are now government bureaus and organizations that help promote different wildlife conservation areas. The government also aims to implement certain policies that are specifically created to protect these animals. It's essential to take actions to protect wildlife from extinction. By doing so, we do not only ensure their survival, but also the diversity of the ecosystem. As a result, it will help improve the ecological health of the earth. Some of the reasons why wildlife protection is essential is to promote biodiversity, benefit humans, and conserve natural habitat. First, wildlife conservation is essential to promote biodiversity. Biodiversity is essential for a healthy and functional ecosystem. If wildlife is extracted from its natural habitat, the delicate balance of the ecosystem will be disturbed, which will then lead to disastrous results. For instance, there is wildlife diversity of species living in a tropical rainforest. If any species should become extinct, the food chain will be disrupted, affecting all the species. For this reason, promoting biodiversity is one of the main reasons why we should protect wildlife. As Franz Lansing says, biodiversity starts in the distant past and it points towards the future. Wildlife conservation makes a healthy and functional ecosystem and also benefits humans. Next, wildlife conservation is essential to benefit humans. One can learn a lot from animals which can benefit the human race. For instance, a lot of medicines have been derived from the chemicals produced by animals. These medicines are then used to help cure various health conditions such as heart diseases, disorders, and other illnesses. In fact, based on the information provided by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, more than 25% of medicine prescriptions given each year contain chemicals from animals. For instance, there are scientists who are studying venom from the pit viper to cure the symptoms of melanoma, and the venom from a tarantula can help fight neurological disorders. Wildlife protection is essential because if the animal is gone, it will be impossible to study and learn from them. Unfortunately, a lot of wildlife has disappeared from Earth due to human activities such as the Bali tiger, the Mexican grizzly, and the Japanese wolf. Conserving wildlife not only benefits humans, but also conserves natural habitat. Lastly, wildlife conservation is essential to conserve natural habitat. When we conserve and protect the natural habitat of wildlife species, we enrich our planet. To do so, we must keep the animals in their natural place. Conservation of natural habitats will also be beneficial for humans since it helps keep the essential watersheds intact and ensures clean, fresh water. Today, there are now wildlife preservation programs where they allow animals to roam freely in their natural habitat. Some of these programs also allow animals to interact with humans. This is beneficial since it educates the people and raises awareness regarding the importance of protecting their wildlife species. These are just some of the reasons why everybody should work together to protect the different species of wildlife. Thankfully, there are now national parks that provide the best natural habitats for various species. As Gary Snyder quotes, "Nature is not just a place to visit, it is home." Overall, conserving wildlife is an important practice everybody should take a part in. Whether it's promoting biodiversity, benefiting humans, or conserving natural habitat, everybody should take a part in conserving wildlife. Conserving wildlife is not just important for us, but it's important for the earth as well. So with that being said, everybody work together and let's conserve wildlife and make the world a better place.